Hello guys, first of all thank you all for your valuable comments and support. Really it helped me a lot. See, if you are quiet enough, you will hear the sound of this universe and you will feel its rhythm. This is what the Buddha said about meditation over 3000 years ago. In this whole universe, a human can control over nothing. See, nothing except his own mind. Your mind can do everything. What you believe, you become. What you imagine, you create. What you feel, you attract. From the evolution of the human being, we have only one bullhook which controls our mind, is meditation. Today, I am going to reveal the simple secret of what really the meditation is. I am SAPDHAGIRIRAJAN and welcome to Little Buddha. Before speaking about what is called meditation, I am here to tell a simple and famous Zen story, a cup of tea. Once a university professor approached a Zen master for the purpose of learning about Zen. The master said, "At first, I am going to offer you a cup of tea." After a long journey, the professor also deserved that, so he accepted. The master started to pouring tea into the professor's cup full and kept on pouring. It overflowed, but the master didn't stop. The professor stopped the master and said, "Master, it is overfull, no more will go in." The master smiled and said, "Like this cup, you are full of your own opinions and speculations. How can I show you Zen unless you empty your cup first?" We are all like that professor who knows everything except the power of nothing. To know the power of nothing, one must do meditate, because meditation is nothing. Meditation means inactive body with active mind. That's it. Here, inactive body means our body has to be in relaxed state without any other movement, and our spine must be erected. Active mind means we have to activate our mind to concentrate on a single thing without any other distractions. But the question is, what is that single thing we have to concentrate? See, in this universe, we have lot of things to concentrate. But there is a single moment which always inactive from our birth to the death is our breath, our own breath. That is the only thing we have to concentrate on meditation. So be in a peaceful place and sit there for 5 minutes. Close your eyes and starting concentration on your breathing. It will do miracles to your life. Leave your meditation experiences and doubts in the comment section, share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. And be a little Buddha.